What you think about this, Sawyer? It's kind of fun. Why's Teddy stopping? It says it goes that way. Where's he going? The arrow's pointing that way.
I got turned around where we are.
There's the arrow, so where's he going?
Up the hill, right there.
The arrow's pointing that way though, so he's going that way. Is he going extreme road? I bet that's extreme road.
Is that extreme road or is that up the hill? He said, come on, it's good up there.
Is it Teddy good or Amanda good?
Oh, flat road? Or is that going up to the picture spot? Okay. Alright, we're coming. Alright, see ya.
Is it Teddy good or Amanda good? There's a difference. Where'd he go?
Around to the... There he is, right over there. Yeah, that's kind of confusing there.
Well, the arrow was pointing the other way. That's why I asked. Oh, why's he over there sideways?
He's going to play on the tires. Flex it out for you. You want to do that?
No. You playing?
Here, I'll do it for you.
No, you will not. I don't know if mine can do that.
Get out first.
No, sit down.
Just watch him.
As he falls? What?
Put your spare tire about where I'm at. Come over here.
Pull my fat shirt down. Do I stretch? I don't stretch all the way across. I'm too short. I'm too short. I can't reach. Y'all want to pop up?
What?
You want to stand up? Sawyer's like, oh, it's leaning. I ain't. You want up here? Here. Hold on one second. Come here, Sawyer. Sawyer, stop. Stop. Sawyer, come here. I got you. Come here to me.
There we go.
Sawyer, please come here. I'm going to pick you up. in my arms. You know you're not going anywhere.
Yeah, but.
Come here. Your son's curled up in the fetal position in the floorboard. Yes, really. Are you really not going to come here?
I don't know why, but I feel like I should.
Sawyer. Michael, do something with your son.
Your son.
Dude, come on. Pop up. Have a good time.
I want a wedgie.
Sawyer, I really would like you to come here. You want to take him out of his door and put him on the roof, on the hood or
If my
something?
little sissy self can do it.
Come here,
you
bro.
can too.
Come here.
I'm literally a wimp.
He's literally in the fetal position.
Come on. I got you.